We are at Vasai railway station. Marathi name, Portuguese name and English name. This is a 300-year-old temple. Built by Portuguese 500 years back. Saturday evening and we are on our way to Bassein Fort. Now we are at the Vasai bus stand. We will be taking a bus to Kila Bandar that will take us directly to the Vasai Fort or the Bassein Fort or the Pakhaim Fort because it has three names: Marathi name, Portuguese name and an English name. Got down from a bus. Just next to our bus stop was this Vajreshwari temple. It's a close to 300-year-old temple built by a Peshwa called Chimaji Appa. Near to the Vajreshwari temple there is this Nageshwar temple, which is a temple of Lord Shiva. So there's a lot of forts out here. There's one to my left. It will be interesting to see how these forts have survived in the course of 500 years. We'll just explore the forts now and let's go.
Wow!
500 years ago, the Portuguese must have been praying here. वसई का बंदर, वहाँ से फेरी निकलती है हर जगह जाने के लिए। Bassein was the northern capital of Portuguese Empire from the time they signed the Treaty of Bassein with the Sultan Bahadur of Gujarat till 1739 when the Marathas attacked this fort. And after a 3-year-long battle, Peshwa Bajirao's brother Chimaji Appa won this fort from the Portuguese. But soon after he was attacked by the Britishers, it then changed hands and went under the British rule. The Portuguese actually tortured the locals, which did not go well, especially with Chimaji Appa, who stood up. He went to this particular place where he vowed to Vajreshwari Mata that if I win this war against the Portuguese and if I win this for my people, I will build a temple. So he fought the war. It was a 3-year-long battle. It came under the Maratha rule for some time till the British took over. But in that time, we built this Vajreshwari temple, which we saw in the beginning. So we are back to the place where we alighted from the bus. This is the Vajreshwari temple. This is the Nageshwar temple. I'm sure if you have traveled through local trains and you especially traveled in the Vasai local, you must have seen the indicators reading BS. Now I know why it's BS, because it was earlier known as Basain. That's why. So the song of Coldplay, Hymn for the Weekend, was shot here. Some parts of Josh and Ram Gopal Verma's Aag were shot here. It's not that it's untouched, it's just that it has not been explored by tourists. Nikita and I are heading towards our home now. Yet another beautiful trip to a historical place, which is not very far from Mumbai, by the way. 500-year-old forts still standing tall. They are in ruins, but still beautiful. And if you haven't visited this place, you should visit. Bye.